Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a smooth spin transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline. Go to the Effects panel, search Transform, and drag it onto the first clip. In the Effect Controls panel, set a keyframe for rotation 5 frames away from the cut of the clips. Set the rotation to 0 degrees. Move the playhead to the cut and set the rotation to -180 degrees. Now, apply the transform effect to the second clip. In the Effect Controls panel, set a keyframe for rotation at the beginning of the second clip. Set the rotation to 180 degrees. Move the playhead to the end of the transition and set the rotation to 0 degrees. For a smoother effect, enable Use Composition Shutter Angle in the Transform effect and set the shutter angle to 180. Play the timeline to preview your smooth spin transition. Adjust the keyframes and settings as needed for the perfect effect. And that's it. A quick and easy, smooth spin transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.